what's the Grinch doing here? So, Doug Grog with Neff Automation. I'm at the Kentucky MEP down in Bowling Green, and just showing off some cool technology. And Bill here with Swiss Metrology. Bill's going to take us through some of his scanning solutions. So we were talking about a really neat application which hopefully we're going to be demonstrating later on in 2026 with some 3D scanning. And so, Bill, why don't you talk about what we were talking about?
Well, thanks, Doug. Thanks for that introduction.
Yeah.
We're demonstrating today. This is the NimbleTrack 3D scanner. It uses wireless. It's totally wireless, battery operated, and it uses infrared tracking with the Nimble Tracker. So you don't need any targets, and you can just basically set up. Everything's battery operated. You just set up and you start scanning. And we're going to scan the Grinch because it's Christmas. And then here's the Grinch.
And so as he's scanning, you can see past him on the laptop there how it's populating all those points.
We'll zoom in here. There's the Grinch's face.
Here we go.
So this scanner, it's scanning at 1.2 million points a second with an accuracy of 0.0008 inches.
Yeah, so he's getting real clear, a lot of clarity on there. Where many times you aren't going to need that, so you can dial back the.
You don't need that for the Grinch,
right? You can dial back the points, but he's just kind of showing you what the possibility is here.
And this is used for quality inspection. You can create a complete digital model of your part, and you can keep that forever. You ever get a problem in the future, you've got a digital model of every part you ever made. You can generate reports to show to the customer that you meet requirements of whatever it is that they're looking for, and you can be confident that you made the part right.
And so one of the things that one of the applications that we were just talking about, Bill, is the idea of potentially you attach this to your robot. So for instance, a universal robot,
right?
And you've got that you got the trigger pulled, and essentially what happens is since your scanner is defining where that object is going to be, you can start scanning it, checking for that QC check, and then. And so that way you can just set it up, set your part there, push go, robot takes it through the motion. You're making sure you're getting a consistent, scan and check. And
So the way I look at it, you have a master setup. The person tells the robot exactly how they want it to scan the part, and then from then on, every single part's going to be inspected exactly the same way. And for repetitive stuff, if you're doing parts all day, you don't want to be. The human's going to get bored. You're going to make mistakes. The arm will just keep doing it the same way, perfect all day. And I think that's definitely the way to go if you're doing repetitive parts.
Love it, love it. Now, one of the other technologies you've talked to me in the past about is the inspect with the iPad, right? So can you just talk us through that a little bit?
So very simple. Use an iPad. You load your CAD model into your iPad. You set up, if you have specific things that the customer is interested in, or in the past have been issues, like we just had somebody come over here earlier, and they make precast concrete structures, and then there's certain areas that they've messed up and behind, and if they mess that area up before they even cast it, they know if they don't get that before they cast it, they've destroyed all the concrete and have to start over again. But anyway, you load your CAD model in. You select those inspection points that you're interested in. You want to know this. You know in the past we've messed up this. You go up to your part. You align your part. It'll automatically snap to that part in the field, snap the CAD model to it, and you'll be able to see things are going to show up really quick that something's missing or something's in the wrong place. And you can set it to give you a red outline to show you that it's out of position.
I remember. Do you have something on the iPad ready to go, or
I have a video from YouTube that I made.
Oh, okay.
I didn't bring a part,
but I'll link that in there. But either way, I mean, it's just a really neat application for, like Bill was saying, your part pops up, on that iPad, and then right away it overlays any differences. So. For instance, it would overlay this, and if it was good to go and it was within all the specifications, green is good. or yellow or red if it's bad. So that way, right away from just walking around your final assembly. So this can be from smaller parts to assemblies to even a full machine. As long as you've got that CAD model in there and where you're wanting to check for the differences, it'll tell you if it's good to go or not. So just some really neat inspection tools that you've got here, Bill, with Swiss Metrology. So yeah, Bill.
Okay.
Thanks for
All right,
thanks for showing us
Thanks,
some things,
Doug.
and we'll be in touch later.
Okay, thank you.